Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to merge two rows in Google Sheets. So this is actually pretty simple. Let's merge the first name and the last name to full name. In order to do that, first you will have to click right here, then enter equals, then click on concatenate, and then simply type here the string. The first one, click on the name, then type comma, then quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma, and then select the last name. Then end the bracket and press enter. Now as you can see, you can expand it to the whole table, and in this really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.